After the heavy weight of Troy Maxon's world, we step gently into the delicate memory of The Glass Menagerie by Tennessee Williams. This play is like a fragile piece of glass itself, beautiful, shining, and breakable. It tells the story of Amanda Wingfield, a mother who dreams of a better life for her shy daughter Laura and her restless son Tom. Williams based the story on his own family, making it full of real feelings and tender pain. Laura's glass animal collection becomes a symbol of her quiet, delicate world. When a gentleman caller visits, the fragile balance of their lives begins to change. Premiering in Chicago in 1944 and later moving to Broadway, the play won the New York Drama Critics Circle Award for Best American Play in 1945. It turned Tennessee Williams into one of America's most admired writers and remains a touchstone of emotional storytelling.